profiled to mean that they elected a liar and a murderer. 8, all the people of Kakamega, estimated at around 2.6 million, who I represent, have been profiled to mean that their representatives is a liar and a murderer. 9, my wives have been profiled to mean that they are prostitutes. The wives I have are specific and they are as follows. 1, Adelaide Khalwale, who died 5 years ago, is my first wife. 2, Josephine Khalwale. I beg your pardon. Wife number 1 is Adelaide Khalwale, who died 5 years ago. She's the mother of my first 3 children, all copyrights of mine, no doubt about their paternity. Josephine Khalwale, my second wife, she's the mother of 3 of my children. 1 who has completed university, the other 2 still at the university. All copyrights, there's been no complaint about their paternity. 3, Gloria Khalwale, who is the mother of 8 of my children. These 8, some are at the university, others are in lower levels of education. They are all my copyrights. They have never had their paternity in doubt. And finally, Diana Khalwale, mother of 3, all of them in lower levels of education. The 3 children are my copyrights. Number 10, aggrieved is the family of Khalwale. They are being profiled as a home of a murderer. And 11, the culture of the Abakak who practice bullfighting. I am the patron of that community. I am in our local palace referred to as Iriru, Yabakak, an honor that you cannot rise to by claim, that you earn by demonstration over decades how you defend the community and the culture. They have been profiled as having identified a community leader who is a liar and who is a murderer. I wish to report today that I have recorded today a formal complaint with the police at Malinya Police Station and handed over the matter to my lawyers for further action in Nairobi. The further action, for clarity, involves a number of suits. We are proceeding and suing the contractor of Kakamega, Cleophas Shimanyula, aka Malala. Oh, their cousins are here. So we are suing the contractor of Kakamega, I beg your pardon, Mr. Cleophas Shimanyula Toto. I'm suing. My wives are suing. My children, who are also adults, are suing. The parents of my wives are suing. The police will make up their own minds if they want to sue. I think they are going to. From what I have heard when I was reporting the matter, Dr. Muchana is going to sue if he so chooses. So we would like Cleophas Shimanyula Toto to come and present evidence that we are, all of us, all these people, we are who he claims that we are.